Should be fun. So today we've got a water main that needs moving. So the stopcock's coming up in the wrong position in the kitchen. They want it moving over and then buried in the wall so they can get a dryer in there. So not going to be the easiest job, to be honest. So we've got to dig up the floor, we've got to chase out the wall, then obviously we've got to make good. So we've got to protect the pipe, fill up the holes. So yeah, let's get to it. So this is the pipe in question. You can see it's just, I don't know what it's doing there, to be honest with you. There's no clips on it. It just comes out far away from the wall. And yeah, really inconvenient for the customer because they want to get a dryer in there. So just going to break away the grout. Using an old blade on a multi-tool there. Just break up the grout. Just so when we start knocking out the tile, it doesn't break any of the other tiles. And get that out of the way. Then we can start digging up the floor. Start getting through that concrete, trying not to damage the pipe. I'm pretty sure we're going to have to go quite far down on here to get onto a good bit of pipe. Okay, so we've dug most of the concrete out now. I'll show you that now. See, that's also all copper, no protection whatsoever on it. So the whole estate like that's around here though. My house is like I only live up the road. So yeah, they just put copper in the ground and you get a lot of burst water mains around here for some reason. So go try get onto that now. I'm gonna pull a set and bring it out the wall. Should be fun. What I'm planning on doing is getting down there, cutting it out, then get the benders, bend a bit of pipe so we've only got one joint underneath there, then wrap it and protect it the best we can. Then we're gonna chase the wall out, get the pipe in. So the bend on this is a bit weird. So kicked out and yeah, it's a bit awkward to do, but that should, when I put it in now, go straight in. Just give it a go. I managed to get the couple onto there. Put that in there. There we go. That's in there. Obviously we want to protect that part the best we can. So we can take a bit more out of here so we can properly wrap this in some Denso and some insulation. So got the new stop tap in. And I got this from Screwfix, the Titan wall chaser. Pretty good to be fair, it's paid itself for it. So we're going to get laser level, mark it up where we're going to trace the hole, and use that, get the pipe in the wall.
Gotta be careful because it's only a bit.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You won't know if it's fixed too, will you?
Not really, no. I'd say the best being firm right at the back, but I should have plenty there to get onto. Got the wall chased out, ready to put the pipe in. And this is where the old pipe is. You see, the joist there, we're going to have to notch that out and come across down here. But there's just no room, there's just wood everywhere. That's the saw stack. Yeah, I'm going to try and get onto that, cut it, and bring it down that wall. Okay, so we've had to multi-tool that off. Just could not get the cutters in there. I don't want to notch that anymore, to be honest with you. It's probably as much as I wanted to go on that. So I'm going to try and get an elbow on there, across to here. So now we know exactly where we're going, we can start putting the pipe together. Now we've took the pipe outside and we've put a kick on it. It's about a 40mm kick, well just over 40mm. So that's 40mm deep hole, plus the pipe comes off the wall a bit. So we put a set on it, and we're going to put some horse felt behind the back. Well, it's called pipe felt, horse felt. I'll call it horse felt. So we're going to put that on the back of the pipe just to protect it. And once we've got that in place, put all the pipe work together at the bottom and start soldering it up. And put a drain off in there as well, just in case for any future maintenance or anything like that. And now the bottom's done, we can crack on with the top. Now it was really awkward at the top of there, and so we've got the two joists there, not a lot of room. So got an elbow onto the pipe, pulled a 90, elbow onto the other pipe, then we're just going to solder it up. Once that's all soldered, we can give it a clean up. Just give it a wipe down with a bit of wet rag. And get some wire wool in there, give it a clean up. I think we're just about ready. Turn it on and test it. So that's it all piped up now. Just put the mains back on, see what happens.
Let's try it, darling.
Go on.
I'm giving
You gotta go for it.
I'm going for it, baby. I have every confidence in this bloody proper flipping professional geezer. It went for it.
I'm gonna wash all the taps out now. Get all that flux and crap out. Yeah, it's gone better than I thought. Quickly come. A little bit of a setback this morning. I mean, that took forever to get out, but caught up. That's all in there. Okay, so last thing we'll do now is get some clips in it. That's it, that's the job done. Yeah, yeah. Got the chisel or a flathead. Yeah, I'll do it. Alright, clips them in, it's all protected. I'm going to tidy this lot up, and we've got to get some protection down there. We're going to wrap it in Denzel tape, just give it a bit of corrosion protection. Plenty of felt wrap on that. And then when we infill it, it's nice and protected as best we can, really. And this is the job done. So we infilled it, got some concrete over it, so it's nicely protected, chased in the wall. A lot more convenient now for the customer. That's job done. That Titan wall chaser, I'd really recommend that. I've had that a few years and it's paid for itself now, it really has. It's got a little bit of a kick when you start going, but once you get used to it, it's nice and smooth up the wall. So it does save a lot of time. Beats hammer and chisel any day of the week. So if you get one of them jobs, you just got to get stuck into it. You really have. Just get in there, start digging. I ain't gonna lie, that bend that you saw as well, that took me 3 attempts to do. It was a really weird bend. Yeah, customer says them dead happy. They can get the driver in there now. Yeah, job's a good one. Thanks for watching.